Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to crochet this beautiful flower coaster that can be made into beautiful bouquets. For the materials, we will need 4 weight acrylic yarn in 3 different colors, a tapestry needle, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. We'll begin with the color white, and we'll start by making a magic circle or a magic ring. If you don't want to make a magic ring, you can always make a slip knot, chain 4 and slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now we'll chain 3, which does not count as a stitch. Then we'll make 12 double crochets into our circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just continue making double crochets. 12. Now pull your yarn to close your circle. Then finish this round with a slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Okay. And that's row 1. You should have 12 stitches. For the second row, we'll start by making a chain of 3, and then we're going to place 2 double crochets into each of our 12 stitches. 1, 2, and into the next stitch. 1, 2, into the next stitch again. 1, 2. Now continue making 2 double crochets into each of your stitch. Now finish with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, and that's the second row. You should have 24 stitches. For the third row, we'll start again with the chain of 3. Then we'll make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, and then we repeat that around. First, one double crochet into the next stitch, then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And finish with a slip stitch in the first stitch. And that's row 3. You should have 36 stitches. We begin row 4 with a chain up of 3 again, and then we'll start with a double crochet in the first stitch and a double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the same stitch of the next stitch. 1, 2, and we'll just repeat that same pattern around. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2. So the pattern is 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet into the same stitch in the next stitch. And finish with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, and that is row 4. We should have 48 stitches. Now we'll fasten off our white color. Now we'll switch to the color green. Start by making a slip knot and attaching the green yarn to the first double crochet from the last row. We'll start with a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and this will form a V stitch, and that is what we will be doing for the row 5. We'll be making V stitches. So next we'll skip 2 stitch, and in the third stitch we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet again into that third stitch, which will form our V stitch. Again, we'll skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet into the third stitch, chain 2, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Let's do it again. Skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet into the third stitch, chain of 2, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and that is what we will be repeating around the rows to form all these stitches. and then we'll finish our row with a slip stitch into the third chain. Then we'll fasten off our green color to start for the next row. For the next row and the final row, you can choose any color for this row. I will be using the color pink. You start by making a slip knot and inserting our yarn into any V-stitching. Now we'll be doing a repeat of these stitches to form our petals. Chain 3, and then we're going to make 5 double crochet together into our V-stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You should have 6 loops on your hook, and you'll just yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Make a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch into the same V-stitch, and that is our petal that we will make in each of our V-stitches. Now let's do it again. We'll slip stitch over into our next V-stitch, make a chain of 3 and make 5 double crochets together in the V-stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops, chain up 3 and slip stitch into the same V-stitch, and repeat. Slip stitch into the next V-stitch, chain 3 and make 5 double crochet into the same V-stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on your hook, chain 3 and slip stitch into the same V-stitch. And now we'll finish the row with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and fasten off our work. And that is our finished flower coaster. The next thing we want to do is turn our work and weave in all our ends.